Hi everyone, my name is Len Janssen. I work for PDM Industrial Excellence as an industrial consultant. My subject on this BMAS conference is about plant simulation. I've used it now in one particular case where I would like to take you along the do's and don'ts and the good practices and the bad practices that are applied to plant simulation. In this case, we will really take a deep dive into the data that is used for plant simulation to work. Of course, there is a full platform which plant simulation uses to make its simulation, but the simulation doesn't work on its own. So it has to be fed with specific data, good data, to be able to give good results. And that's the deep dive I'm going to take with you. So we're going to look at a specific case of a steel manufacturer, whereby we made a simulation of the future scenario of the plant, and I'll show you the data we have used and also how we translated that data so that it mimics the future scenario of that plant. Of course, as in all projects, not everything went well, and some problems and challenges did occur. Obviously, we learned a lot from that. One of the challenges is that when we were starting the project, we didn't have a clear understanding of what was crucial to the simulation itself. And that's why one of the issues we came across that we lost ourselves in details that didn't really matter for the simulation. So that's one of the best takeaways of this project that we did, is that we really had to focus on the on the vital pieces of processes and make sure that these are worked out correctly, so that all the other things that doesn't add value that much to the simulation can be regarded as nice to have. And in the presentation, I'll show you what we came across, and also how we handled the data that we have seen. In very brief, garbage in is garbage out. And if you're working with simulations, you should know the importance of good data and also a good translation of the data so that the simulation can work with it and you can get good results out of it. So if you would like to know what we did to make sure that the data we've used is of very high quality, and therefore the results that the simulation shown are of very high quality too, then please tune in and I'll explain you everything you need to know.